Hello and welcome back to another video from Jerba Campervans. Now, today we're going to tell you all about what you need to do to swap from propane gas to butane gas in your campervan. Now, you may have heard the news, you can no longer get the smaller canisters of propane gas that we fit in all our campervans. It's the typical sort of gas canister that you'll see in the back of most campervans. So, a lot of people asking, well, what do we do now? Well, there's a few options. I'm going to take you through them today. What you'll need to do is you'll need to switch from propane to butane or a gas-low butane-propane mix. The easiest option is to switch over to this camping gas 907 bottle I've got here, and that's what we're using in all the campervans moving forward. Now, if you've got propane in your van already, the simplest way to do this conversion is just to take out your old propane hose, like so. This is actually a butane one, and fit in a new butane hose, and that will allow you to then connect to this gas-low fitting which connects the butane hose to the camping gas bottles, and it's just a little valve to open and shut your gas. Really simple setup. It's probably the cheapest, quickest, easiest way to do it. Now, there are other options. If you want to keep your propane hose, you can keep the propane hose, you can fit on a gas-low propane adapter like so, and basically this adapter with the gauge will give you a sort of indication of how much gas you've got left, so there are other benefits to it, but you connect that to your propane pipe, you then connect this adapter to this camping gas adapter like so, and that allows you to use this bottle. Now, the benefits of this system are that you could jump back to propane if they were ever to make the size of bottle we need again quickly, because you've already got the propane hose installed. But another option does mean that you've got two adapters instead of one, but you don't need to buy a new cable. But I'll leave links to all this stuff down below in the description under this video, so you can check out all the products. Now, regulators, you've got a regulator fitted in your gas box. You don't need to change the regulator. The regulators are good for both propane and butane, and the propane-butane mix that Gaslow use in the refillable bottles, so no worries about that. What we will say is, if you're going to do this, get it done by a professional, someone who knows what they're doing. You don't want to mess about with gas, you don't want leaky gas in your camper van. We can offer that as a service here at Jerba. If you want to come in and get adapters fitted, new hoses fitted, we can supply the parts, or you can bring your own and we'll get them fitted for you. I would recommend, if you're doing so, looking at our full habitation check service. Bring it in, we'll do a full check and certification of the habitation area of your camper van. Give you peace of mind before the camping season this year. But yes, this is what we're doing. All new vans are coming with the camping gas. It's readily available. You'll have no trouble getting it, and it works just the same as propane. So thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one.